flatten out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.
Woo! I'm here, I'm first. Ha ha!
Hey there, Diggs. Where's everybody else?
Somewhere behind me in my dust trail. Can I get started, Bozer?
Glad you're rev, Diggs. But let's wait for the others. We're going to need all pistons firing today.
Morning.
Morning. Hello.
Good morning, Bozer.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today, we're going to be preparing the site so we can lay cables tomorrow.
Ooh.
But first, we'll need all these materials off the dock and onto the site.
What are we waiting for? Let's go! Room! Woohoo! Room! Look out! Ha-ha! Here I come! Woohoo!
Hey, watch it, speed demon.
Yeah! Load empty! Ha ha ha! Job done! I won!
One?
Wait a minute.
What are you talking about?
No race was ever mentioned.
All right. Gear down, everybody. What's the problem?
I got my job done before anybody else. I won. That's all.
Won what? It wasn't exactly like we knew it was a contest.
Well, now you know.
Oh, that's
Oh,
not fair.
come on.
Hold on to your horsepower there.
Perhaps we could have a contest. I can think of a number of different jobs that will challenge what everyone is good at. Lifting, dumping, and loading.
Yeah, Captain! Great!
We could call it the Machine Challenge.
Machine challenge, top gear. And will there be a prize, Bozer?
Oh, yes. So, make sure you're all fueled up, and we'll begin right away. Mind behind. Mind behind.
Oh, this is so exciting. But challenges always make me feel so nervous.
Don't worry, Scooch. Just do your best.
Oh, Diggs, what races are you going to enter?
I'm going to enter them all, and I'm going to win them all. Varoom!
We'll see about that.
Let the Machine Challenge begin. Maxine? Could we hear a challenge blast, please?
Who is this?
Excellent. First, the lifting challenge. We'll be lifting and moving these pallets and oil drums to the finish line. All those wishing to compete, roll forward.
Make room for me. Make room for me.
You fancy yourself as a lifter, eh, Dix?
Hey, why not? What could be so hard about it? You lift, you roll with it. Easy as diesel.
Machines ready, set. Lift.
I'm in the lead. This should be a cinch. Just got to get this up.
You mean like this, Diggs?
Go.
Oh, Carl and Carrie win. We win! We win!
No problem. I'll just win the next event.
The next challenge is the roll and dump. Contestants will roll the dirt to the other side of the site as fast as they can.
Hey, I can handle a big load and get there fast too.
Ready, set. Roll and dump.
Oh, yeah, sure. Anyone can start fast, but can you finish fast too?
The Scooch and Log win.
No. I can't finish at all. I'm no good at anything.
Diggs?
Oh, I really thought I could win something, Bozer. But so far, I'm nothing but a loser.
You're not a loser, Diggs. Those were tough challenges. You're a champion for trying.
But Carl and Carrie won the lifting, Scooch and Lug won the roll and dump. I didn't win anything.
There are more challenges ahead. You're not going to give up on me now, are you?
No.
That's my digger.
Congratulations on winning, guys.
Thanks.
You did pretty good yourself, Dix.
No, I didn't. But thanks for being nice.
The next challenge will be speed loading.
Loading? Did he say something about loading?
We'll need this scrap picked up and loaded into the skip at the finish line.
I'd like to enter this one, Bozer.
Excellent.
Yeah, count me in too, Bozer. I have the loading in me.
Okay, Carl.
I'll have a go at it. Maybe I'll win my second challenge.
We'll see about that.
All right then. Ready, set.
Come on, Dix!
I'm on your tailpipe, Diggs.
Then be prepared to whiff my exhaust. Ha ha!
Look at Dix go! He's smoking! Dix! 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 Dix!
Come on, Dix. Diggs win.
I won!
Well done, Diggs. Well done, everybody.
So, didn't you say there would be a prize, Bozer?
Absolutely.
Oh, what is it?
The prize is, as the site is now cleared, we get to lay cables today.
Me first! Eat my dust!
No, not again.
Today, we are in the heart of the city, clearing an old dump site to make way for a brand new car park.
Sounds like a job for us clearing machines.
Baroom!
Now, we've got to be quick. The new concrete surface must be laid and dry by tonight.
Hoo, that's a speedy one.
So, by way of a treat, I've got us a brand new batch of fuel. So, go and get yourselves filled up. Line behind.
Oh, I love the smell of diesel in the morning.
Oh, Carrie, aren't you coming?
Oh, hello. Earth calling Scooch. I don't do fuel, remember? I'm a battery machine.
Oh, of course I forgot. Sorry, Carrie. Well, don't feel left out. There really isn't anything exciting about new fuel.
Come on, Scooch. You'll miss the new fuel song. Oh, I love it when we all sing the new fuel song. When they dance, when we all dance round the pumps. Diddly diddly diesel, diddly diddly diesel.
Sorry, Carrie. Mind behind. Excuse me. Pardon me.
Oh, why do I have to be a battery machine?
What's steaming up your windscreen machine, sister?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, come on. This is Maxine you're talking to now. I know the difference between something and nothing.
Okay. It's just that I'm a battery machine and everyone else seems to be a fuel machine. And, well, it makes me feel so different.
And what's wrong with that? Being different is a marvelous thing. Can you imagine if all machines were the same? What a boring old machine world this would be.
But you are all the same. You all run on fuel.
There are lots of different ways of being different, Carrie.
Everyone is different, different, different. Everyone is different in their own way. They've got different jobs to do, jobs for him, jobs for you. They've got different jobs to do all through the day. Carl, he lifts, and Scooch, he dumps. Bozer levels out the bumps. Maxine mixes, and Diggs can dig.
Lugs around when things get big.
Everyone is different, different, different. Everyone is different in their own way. They've got different jobs to do, jobs for him, jobs for you. They've got different jobs to do all through the day.
Now, being Carrie is really cool. And darling, here is the reason why. Someone is gonna look a fool when his tank runs dry.
Everyone is different, different, different. Everyone is different in their own way.
So remember, Carrie, being different makes you one in a million.
Thanks, Maxine.
Oh, you're welcome, darling.
Oh, how cool was that fuel? It reminded me of, double diesel. Or do you remember that, Scooch? Whoa, melted in your fuel tank.
I had a battery like that once.
Oh, really?
Oh, how interesting. Come on, Scooch. We'd better get to the dump site. Speedo! Ha! Here, do you remember that old pull and push fuel station?
Well, sort of.
All us fuel machines, chatting away, guzzling gas. It's such a shame you can't try some of this fuel, Carrie. It makes your engine sound so smooth.
That doesn't sound very smooth to me.
Oh, no. Wait a minute. What's happening?
Wow. Neither does that.
Oh, it's happening to me now. Oh, we better go and see Bozer. He'll have something sensible to say about this.
Bozer? Oh. Oh dear. I don't think this fuel agrees with me.
Oh, me neither. I just backfired so hard, my hooky nearly looped the loop. Oh, excuse me.
I don't think that fuel agreed with any of us. Oh, it must have been a bad batch.
Oh no, it's happened to everybody.
Well, there's only one thing for it. We're all going to have to clear out our fuel tanks.
Oh,
Not a clear out.
But Bozer, what about the job?
You know, I've never had to say this, but I think we're just going to have to cancel it.
Cancel it?
I know.
Oh, how embarrassing.
But wait a minute. I'm okay. I run on batteries. I didn't have any of the fuel.
Oh, but Carrie, you couldn't clear a whole dump site on your own.
That's me cleared out. Now, if only we had time to... What's this? I can hardly believe my headlights.
One cleared site, ready for cementing.
Carrie, you did all this by yourself? Well done.
Thank you, Bozer.
I'll let Maxine know that cementing can now commence.
You don't have to. I'm here and ready to roll. Nice job, Carrie. I was right. You're 1 in a million, darling.
Look what Carrie did!
You know something, Carrie? I never realised just how different you were.
Oh, come on. You guys knew I ran on batteries.
No, you're different because you can do something like that. Oh, that's what makes you different.
And that's what makes you Carrie!
Oh,
Oh, sounds like you need your clear out, Scooch.
Oh no, I've had my clear out. I'm just backfiring with joy!
Making me
Oh, Carrie.
Didn't she do a wonderful job, Bozer?
Well done, Carrie.
I wish I could do something like that on my own.
wow, look at all this scrap. This is going to look great in my collection.
So, Carrie, tell me, how did you do it?
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.